morning. This is All India Radio Kohima, the morning news read by Bulletin. Chairperson of the Nagaland Legislative Assembly Public Accounts Committee, K.T. Sukhalu, said the recommendations of the Public Accounts Committee, PAC, should be fully implemented within a reasonable timeframe and the governments must take decisions expeditiously. Addressing the conference of chairpersons of PAC, of Parliament and State UT legislatures at New Delhi yesterday, Sukhalu said, recommendations of the PAC are given so that government departments can take follow-up actions and bring economy and efficiency in the financial administration of the state. He, however, said there is laxity and indifference on the part of government departments in taking the recommendations of the PAC seriously. He said the PAC reports are rarely debated on the floor of the House and also not read by the officers of the government departments. He said the PACs ought to remind bureaucrats that it is in the interest of discharging their assigned executive roles. Effectively, they use the PAC recommendations to improve the quality of governance. Sukhalu also emphasized the need to ensure that the government take suitable corrective actions. Nagaland Health Department said that the state's weekly sample positivity rate of COVID-19 has remained below 5% for the last 16 weeks. According to the Health Department's weekly COVID-19 bulletin, the state reported 34 cases from the week. Dimapur recorded the maximum number of cases with 24 and also tested 55% of all samples from the week. The 3 casualties were also recorded from Dimapur, while 15 new COVID-19 hospital admissions were reported from COVID-19 hospitals. The department said the month of November recorded 280 positive cases from 15,360 samples with a positivity rate of 1.8%. It said the state has reached a milestone in the past week by vaccinating 60% of all eligible beneficiaries, of which 12.96 lakh doses of COVID-19 vaccines have been administered. Pointing out that vaccines remained effective in preventing severe COVID-19, hospitalization, and death, the Health Department, in the wake of new emerging variant, advised citizens to get vaccinated at the earliest. It also advised compulsorily masking in public places, crowd control in any social, religious, or political gathering to avoid super spreader events, and choose outdoor events over indoor gatherings. Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal called upon the captains of Indian industry to set ambitious targets as the country's economy is poised for a sustained spell of rapid growth. Addressing the 5th meeting of the CII National Council in New Delhi yesterday, he said the industry has a huge role to play in the upliftment of the poor and underprivileged. He encouraged the industry to have a greater appetite for taking risk, to invest in industries that may be less profitable at the start but are labor-oriented and create lakhs of jobs. Goyal also urged the industry to promote tribal handicraft products as part of their CSR activities. Deputy Commissioner and President Zila Sainik Board, Wokha, Orenthang Lotha, inaugurated the newly constructed rest house of Zila Sainik yesterday. Speaking at the inauguration program, Orenthang encouraged the ex-servicemen community to continue contributing and keep serving for the cause of the society. The DC also urged them to use the rest house with a sense of responsibility and judiciously. Likho Sangma of Garo tribe won the Hornbill Festival traditional shot put competition held at Kisama yesterday. Jangsat Han Singh from Kuki tribe and Sapsi Kapui Zeliang secured the 2nd and 3rd positions respectively. Altogether, 15 people participated in the competition. The event was organized by the Department of Youth Resources and Sports. And as India marches towards administering 150 crore vaccine doses against COVID-19, news about the fresh corona variants is also causing concern. In this situation, we appeal to our listeners to get fully vaccinated at the earliest and also help others get vaccinated. Please follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 6 feet for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact National Helpline numbers 011-2397-8046 and 1075 and State Helpline number 1-800-345-0019. With that, we come to the end of morning news. Have a nice day.